Horses out, coming out into a perfect beginning, and that is Gentle Irony. Batang Tundo in second, moving up party outside third, Juggling Agka. Multiplies racing in fourth, moving up party outside fifth. In a good spot is My Hope. Tiwi Magic in the middle, Dailies, then followed up party outside by Aling Nayang, Joshua Slapter, Pierce Fighter, running by Drell, Lindy Hay, and Dream Supreme. Down to the finish for the first time. We've got Gentle Irony by about 2 lengths. Batang Tundo moving up party out, so now is Juggling Up. Tiwi Magic joining them, My Hope. Then 4 lengths away in 6 is Multiply. Joshua's Slapter, Dailies is running by Drell, Aling Nayang, Pierce Fighter, Dream Supreme, and Indy Hay trails the field by about 14 to 15 lengths of the pace. Meanwhile, we've got Gentle Irony goes on by about 4 lengths. Batang Tundo now trying to get closer in second. Juggling Act in third. Moving up My Hope, Tiwi Magic, Multiply, Pierce Fighter, Joshua Slapter, Dailies. Down on the inside, Dream Supreme, Aling Nayang. Then followed by Indy Hay. And nearing the far turn, the stage is set with 400 to go. And it's still Gentle Irony by about 3 lengths. Batang Tundo remains in second alongside Juggling Act. My Hope is racing in fourth. Multiply, Joshua Slapter. As the fields turn for home, Gentle Irony is still in front by about 5 lengths. Moving up by Drell, Multiply, Batang Tundo, Juggling Act, Joshua Slapter. Last 75 meters, the unbeatable Gentle Irony. Second, Multiply, then followed by Juggling Act, Indy Hay, Dailies, and Joshua Slapter.
In spite of a strong finish.